Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a random mod for the WRX. But what you're looking at is the LIBERTYWALK DASAI Mochi. I don't know if you can actually call it a mod, but it's more like an aesthetic thing for the interior. From what I see online, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box and show you what it looks like. Here's what the Mochi face looks like. A little drawing of it. It says LIBERTYWALK on the side here. It's more branding on the back. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. So let's go ahead and unbox. Okay. So we got the LIBERTYWALK DASAI Mochi. So first thing on the top here you can see is the button guide and then the startup guide. So I'm supposed to take the Mochi out, shake him up to wake him up. And there's also a charging animation too, so eventually I'm gonna take it to my room and charge it, just to show you guys what it looks like. And here you can see a whole gallery of different animations. On the back side, you can also see more face galleries, as well as there's a gyro guide. Mochi's new gyroscope detects movement, left, right, under acceleration, and braking. So basically when you're turning and stuff like that, it's gonna make some animations too, which is pretty cool. And then over here, you can see the unique LIBERTYWALK animations for the LIBERTYWALK Mochi. Now let's take him out. There he is, my new friend, my new friend. And then there's a USB-C charger, and it also comes with 2 Velcro mounting pads right here, which is pretty cool. All right, I am now shaking him to wake him up. Wake up! Wake up! How do you wake up? Hold on, let me check. Guys, I think my Mochi's dead. He won't wake up. Wake up! All right, so I brought him inside to my room right now. I also don't know if Mochi's supposed to be a guy or a girl, but my companion guy, wait, what? Hold on. That sounds weird. Anyways, my Mochi is gonna be a he. So I took him into my bedroom. This is Operation Revive My Mochi. As you can see, he's not waking up per the instructions. I'm trying to wake him up, but it's not working. So I'm gonna try to plug him in and see what happens. I also did switch to... Nice. He's alive. Wake up. Alright, so I'm just gonna let him chill there for a little bit. I also did switch to the shotgun mic just to pick up any sounds he's gonna make. So if you guys hear an audio difference, that is why. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna let him chill for a little bit, and I'm gonna cut to when I think it's good to bring him down to the car again, and then we'll resume the video. Alright, so we got him inside here chilling in the garage. We went inside since it got a little dark outside. But he's chilling, he's alive, and he's breathing. But now I'm just gonna take one of the sets of Velcro pads, split them apart, put one on the Mochi, then put one inside the car where I want it to go. And then we are good to go for the video. Also, you can take him out. You just pull on, I just pulled on the USB-C. Right here, I don't know if that's ideal, but you can take him out and out of his helmet. So if you're new to Mochi, you can actually swap these helmets out. Since mine is a LIBERTYWALK collab, it comes with this really cool white helmet. And this helmet's actually based off the F40 from LIBERTYWALK, the wide body one that's very famous. So that's pretty cool. You can also buy this helmet separately as well. So if you hold it down, I think you will be able to show the battery life, and then press twice to turn on and off the gyro function. So make sure it's on. Okay, gyroscope off. So I press twice again. Gyroscope's back on. And I press 4 times. It should mute him. There you go, he's muted. But I'm gonna leave him on for now until I get annoyed. But hopefully I won't get annoyed with him. He seems like a cool guy. Cool, chill guy. So Let's go ahead and unmute him. There you go. Now let's go on with the install. So I'm gonna put the helmet back on. Clips in just like that. I don't think it matters which one to put on him. I have this fuzzy one and then this cleaner one. I think I'm just gonna put the cleaner one on him and then the fuzzy one on the car. I'm never good with stickers. Oh my gosh. Nice fit. So that's on him now. Ugh, oh my god, there's mosquitoes everywhere. Dude, I gotta hurry up for this install. All right, so now it's on him. Let's go into the car. All right, so I am in the cockpit of my WRX here. There's actually a couple places you could... Oh, hold on. Are you done? Okay, there's actually a couple spots you could put him. I've seen people put him on this dash right here. Like chilling right there. But honestly, I am too short to see that. Like right now you can see him, but I really have to sit up to see him. So that wouldn't be ideal for me, but if you're taller, maybe that would work. You can also put him right here. Depending on what car you have, you can put him like on the base of the steering wheel. Also consider putting him right here so everyone in the car can see. But I've ultimately decided to put him right on top right here. This is where my GoPro mount used to be, but since I don't really use it that much, I took it off for the install. I don't know, I'm torn. Should I put him here or should I put him there? I feel like right here is more like chill. But there's also a screen right there, so maybe he'll be blocking the way a little bit. I don't think so. All right, I think I've decided I'm just gonna put him right in front of me. So I'm gonna put it right somewhere here. Probably gonna move the camera away so I can center it off camera, but it's gonna be somewhere right there. All right, so the other pad is now on. So I now can put the Mochi on top. And now I can officially say the install is complete. And there you guys have it. Let me know, what do you guys think about the LIBERTYWALK Mochi or just the Mochi in general? But there you guys have it, a short, simple mod. Overall, it adds a nice touch to the interior. I'm super happy. A little JDM aesthetic that I'm going for the build as well. It matches with the vibes. I love JDM stuff, so I'm a sucker and I fell for the marketing, but it's okay. I think I don't regret it. I think it's pretty cool. But we'll see how much I like it after I start driving with it. Tomorrow I'm going to Fuel Fest for the first time, so I'm gonna try to capture some cinematic POV shots of that. So you're gonna see the Mochi video, then you're gonna see Fuel Fest, and then after that, stay tuned because I have a big mod coming soon. I know I say that a lot, but trust me, you're gonna want to see this one. I'm super excited, super hyped for what's in store for the WRX. So, but yeah, as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Oh, there you go.